Welcome to Lesson 1, Cartoon Story. Now you've already clicked on this button, otherwise you wouldn't be listening to my voice. Now, what we're going to do, as you can see, we have provided for you step-by-step directions on how to create a cartoon, okay? And with the cartoon, we can either print it out directly and or copy it to a Word document and or PowerPoint or a Google slide. It's your option. And you'll notice at the very bottom, if you click on Screen Recorder, Screencast-O-Matic, you can also create a video if you so desire to. So what we're going to do is we are going to show you step by step exactly what to do. Now, we've provided for you the directions like I had mentioned, but we'll now also provide for you the video. Well, the first thing you're going to do is go to the technology website. As you can see here, scroll down, and then the yellow button, it says All Grades Blending Lessons with Technology. Then click on Language Arts, and here it says Creating Comic Strip Stories. Click on that, and here we have Garfield. Now your grades are going to depend upon how your students work. Here's the lesson you're currently looking at, and here's the website we're going to go to. You want to click on here to make sure that your Flash Player works. Okay, now you'll notice that on this screen here we have several characters to choose from, okay? And we also have a background and a text box. Now, let's click here to get started. And you see we have a background. Now you can choose whatever background you want to slide it over by clicking on the arrow. Okay? I'm going to keep this one. Now, if I wish to place, first of all, see the question mark here? If you click on that and you go over the different tools, it will explain to you what you can do. Now, what's really nice about this presentation is it has a built-in printer. So you can do that, okay? Now, I'm going to go back. Now, I'm going to take Garfield, put him up there. Now, if you click the arrow, you can have him doing various things, okay? You pick what you want. I'm going to pick this one. All right? Grab him and put him over here. Okay. Now you can move him around. Now what you can do is make him larger or smaller, but you can also flip him. See? If you want to do that. Okay. I'm going to put him, oops, right there. And I want to move him right about here. Now, I'm going to click on the text box, and you can determine what you want here. I want this one, so I'm going to click it, put it right, click on it again, oops, move it up. Now I want to flip it so it's talking to him, right? So I go here, there we go, and move it over. And then I'm going to type in here what you might want to type, okay? Okay, I made this really simple. Welcome to my story. All right? Now next, we might want to put somebody else in here. Let's place the dog up here. And what can we have him do? There we go. Click on him. Now, let's have him right about here. And I want to flip him. Remember, I can also make him larger or smaller. Click here to flip him. All right. Click back. And I want him to say something, but since dogs don't talk, we're just simply going to give him a text. Okay. And I want to move it. So I'll put it right over here. And he's thinking, let me type in what he's thinking. Okay, that's panel 1. Let's go to panel 2. Now in panel 2, you can put in here whatever you want. I'm going to put John. Again, you can browse through that. But I'm going to put him right here. Okay. And I'm going to skip all the way over to panel 3. And panel 3, I'm going to place Arlene. And put it right there. Okay? Now, we're on panels. We have panels. We go back. Here's 2 and 1. However, click on the eye and watch what happens. You can see all 3 of them at the same time, which is pretty neat. Okay? Now, I didn't put anything in here because I don't want you to spend your whole time watching this video. Now that you have all this done, right, you just simply wish to go back. If you wish to go back, just simply click here. And now you can take your characters, or if you want to fix things up, you can go back to each one of the panels and add something or delete. However, if you wish to print this out, simply click here and watch. I'll click there and you'll see on my screen, there's the whole thing. You can print it all out at one time. Let me go back. However, let me click here again. If you want, you can use the snipping tool or some other form that's listed on the sheet that we gave you to print this out or copy it and paste it into a Word document or paste it into a PowerPoint or a slide. You can do just about anything you want with it. Use your imagination. And like it says before, if you want, you can also make a video, which is extremely easy to do. Well, we'd like to thank you for watching our video.